Make a great choice today with the 2017 MKC. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, roof rails, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, remote engine start, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find backup camera, heated seats, airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, push button start, MP3 player, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.